Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The truck swerved into the lane, causing loss of control and chaos on the road. The moment came when the overloaded truck carrying wood overturned while making a turn. The roads often provide us with a mix of near-miss situations that make our hearts race and legs shake, along with incredible driving displays that leave us in awe. This video is created for educational purposes and includes many valuable original text commentaries. Let's get it on. Never tailgate guy. A general rule of thumb is to follow the 3-second rule, old but gold. Oh dear, he may have been distracted. You will have a $1,000 fine for this. Oh, don't force other cars like that. Please be careful. Please be careful when turning on snowy roads, everyone. Oh, this is a situation where a crane truck is plunging into a ravine in the hills of Thailand. Before heading out, please pay attention to the weather, everyone. Avoid going out during major storms. Team, what a scary movie. Pray that the driver's all right. Oops, not sure if this was part of the driving test or just a new driver. Please be careful when driving in the rain, everyone. It's very easy to slip. Oh, please be careful, truck drivers. Abrupt braking on snowy roads can lead to loss of control. If your vehicle has anti-lock brakes, apply steady pressure. The incident involved due to overcorrection. Right, be careful, everyone. Oh, it seems he didn't see the traffic ahead. Luckily, there was no damage. Heavens, it makes black ice look so scary. Drive safely, guys. Hey man, pay attention to brake lights and traffic flow ahead of you. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. It seems like everything has gone wrong. Check weather and road condition updates before your journey. Be aware of any advisories or warnings. Hope they are fine. Serious question, why was the truck driver speeding around the corner like that? Hopefully he's learned his lesson. Oh, he braked too late. Please pay attention to the road. This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. Tinamashu run. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. The brake system didn't work anyway. He did a good job. Never drive too close to the double yellow line. Can you see snow day surprises in St. Louis, Missouri? It was way worse during that black ice I had a few weeks ago. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Luckily, no other cars were involved, and no one was injured. Things occurred in West Middlesex, Pennsylvania. Thankfully, all of them are fine. Do we know if they fell asleep or had a medical emergency anyway? They need to regulate safety features that will put the brakes on if the driver is no longer actively controlling the vehicle. Stay safe out there, y'all. Naradi, please avoid lingering in a truck's blind spot. Either pass quickly or stay a safe distance behind. I hope the dashcam owner will stop instead of continuing when he sees the car in front losing control. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. Just looks like someone's mind was somewhere else. Stay alert, man. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks.